think everything will turn out okay, but here's a little before recording of the car just to gauge the amount of damage that could and possibly would happen. We've got our priorities in check here. Oh man, those fishes are gonna go flying. I remember syrup sandwiches like they were syrup sandwiches. Hey, vlog Irma. This is what we did in Irma. 2017 with dreams. Hurricane Irma is here. Northern Miami-ish Hialeah. Woo! I'm probably crazy right now. Still, this is how you prepare for a hurricane, folks. You drive through it. After drinking a few drinks. Damn, look at that shit flying. That's crazy. Look at this. You can't see anything past like 10, 20 feet. Oh my God, yo, debris on the floor already. It's only gonna get worse right now, man. Irma just started getting here. More updates yet to come.
Hurricane Irma update 4:40 a.m. Strong gusts, strong.
Lashes of strong wind, barely any rain.
You can't see it on camera though, but.
We've got flooding coming up. Here. Car's doing okay. Lots of leaves. Put some elbow grease. Woo! Fence is falling. We lost one. Trampoline bed, huh? Oh, that thing is gone. Knocked over, submerged in the water. The house over there. I can't. You got the windows open. Oh, he's ready, bro. Biggest tree on the block. Post semi cleanup. The water gets around. Made it back home. The drive was slow, lots of debris, lots of trash, fallen trees, downed power lines that were knocked by trees. Driving into my neighborhood, some flooding, and a lot of shit. Way more than I expected. This is the backyard of my house. It's not so bad from what I could see. It's a good 5-6 feet higher than normal. The doggy bin got destroyed. Uprooted trees. Wow! That's the main line of, oh my God, bro. Might have to take a little detour here. Big trees knocked down. This detour was probably even worse. Park is okay. It's the trees that are the problem. There's like no sand. Everyone picked it up, pulled it out. I was afraid of those trees falling down for that reason. Sorry, my man. Oh, big tree fell down. Whoa. These guys got rocked. Big tree, 3 houses. 2, actually, they're connected. 5. More debris. Ooh, big tree fell. Whoa. Big tree. This is crazy. That tree just knocked everyone's backyard in, man. Oh, no. The glass is surprisingly still intact, so you could see that it fell on the top of the hood. All the leaves just get blown off and then the tree falls. It's two. Whoops, my bad. Completely uprooted. Those roots are easily like 8 inches. Hand size for reference. My hand doesn't even wrap around the root. You can see right behind me all the disaster. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm worried about the ducks. Oh, as I say duck, I find a duck hiding underneath the fallen trees. They're not going to be excited to see that. Sick. That is just bad. You guys alright? This is okay, right? You don't mind? You know, it's actually better that he parked it this way, because if he had parked it that way, that would have just fallen right on the thing. That's how you know you got a good car. I don't get how it's between two houses, 2-story houses that could block wind and rain and debris, and it still falls. That root right there is taller than me. My friend's Mero made it. He parked it right next to his neighbor's place. Hey, tengo un perrito así mismo. I have a dog just like him. That dog really bit me, yo. Here's the entrance. Here's the entrance. You walk in, drive in. I just took 1.5 years to move these trees. And it worked. But watch this. It's clear. It's all clear. Make room for your home, man. Clean it up. Hurricane update. Lost power in Hialeah. Came back, have power in Miami. Helping up clean up my home.